It was a quiet afternoon in the city. The sky turned gray and soft thunder rolled in the distance. Inside the cozy little house, Jerry was busy nibbling on a piece of cheese, while Tom lay lazily near the window, watching the clouds move. Suddenly, drip drop, the first raindrops began to fall. Jerry ran to the window, eyes wide with excitement. "Tom, look, it's raining!" He squeaked. Tom stretched his paws, looked outside, and gave a lazy smile. But Jerry couldn't stay still. He grabbed a small leaf, held it like an umbrella, and dashed outside. Tom rolled his eyes, but when Jerry splashed water at him from a puddle, Tom jumped up, pretending to be angry, and chased him through the rain. The chase turned into laughter as both of them started playing like kids. Jerry jumped on Tom's head, slid down his tail, and danced in the puddles. Tom tried to catch raindrops with his tongue, meowing every time one hit his nose. They ran around the garden, slipping, sliding, and laughing as thunder echoed softly above. A few birds were sheltering under a tree, and a paper boat floated past them in the water. Jerry quickly jumped on to the little boat, waving at Tom like a sea captain. Tom splashed water and pushed the boat forward, both laughing until their stomachs hurt. After a while, the rain grew heavier. The sky turned golden as the evening sun peeked through the clouds. Tom picked Jerry up and placed him on his shoulder. They both walked back home, dripping wet but smiling from ear to ear. Inside they dried themselves with towels. Jerry sneezed and Tom chuckled softly. Then Tom went to the kitchen and poured some warm milk, while Jerry brought a tiny cookie. They sat by the window, watching